back to our show. And today we have in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert, Dr. Rupa Batra. Before the break, we were discussing some interesting facts about Feng Shui. And now, we can carry forward the same and take some more interesting questions about Feng Shui. Now I want to ask you that is Feng Shui applied to house only or other place? I mean,
well, Feng Shui, it is applied in land and building. So it can be applied anywhere.
okay,
It can be applied to houses, offices, commercial buildings, public buildings, schools, apartments, colleges, hospitals. Even farmers can apply on their land also.
that's very interesting.
It can be applied anywhere. It can be applied to make cities, states, as well as to the entire world. We can arrange in a right way through Feng Shui. If Feng Shui is applied in a right way, so it can be changed, it can be applied everywhere. Everywhere means everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, Dr. Batra, now I want to ask you that what is the basic tool in Feng Shui? What are things which are applied in Feng Shui actually?
As I told you, that each and everything has yin yang energy.
Yeah.
So everything we are living with, right? So that can be arranged in a right way. How come? I'll let you know. The very first thing we take up light, the lighting of the home or lighting of the place where you want to apply Feng Shui. By adding light to a specific area, energy can be activated, or energy is activated, you can say. And light can come from candles, electric lights, oil lamps, lava lamps and so on. This category also includes reflected lights from mirrors, crystal or shiny objects. Even you can use those aluminum foils everywhere you get it, the aluminum foil, yeah, covering your any light things. So you can make a light with that aluminum foil also.
Okay.
Right. So this is for one thing, the light. How can you apply Feng Shui through light? Now we come up on sound. Adding a pleasant sound to any space can create change in the energy vibrations in our home, in our office, in anywhere you feel like, the sound can change the energy. You can put appealing sounds such as moving water, you can play music, singing birds, wind chimes, bells.
Wind chime and bells are very sweet, really.
Yes, when you see, wind chimes, you need to take care about that also, because wind chimes must be taken. The sound should be very, very pleasant. As you see in the market, you have to avoid all those things.
Yeah.
But yeah, musical instrument, all have a positive reaction to the energy of the space. But toilet flushings, benches and quenching doors do not count, right? So these also make sounds,
Yes.
right? So these doesn't count. So all those I have told you about.
The sound should be pleasant and
Yes. So that the vibration of that area, the energy of that area can be
can be turned
in a positive way. Yeah, in a positive way through sound. First I came up with light and now the sound. So
Yes.
these are the way to come up with now with living things, the alive things, like you can put fishes, pets. Well, animals not only are great pets, they are great energy enhancer.
Okay.
Yes.
It's quite interesting.
Yeah. So they are great energy enhancers for sluggish place also. You know,
Okay.
if there is that place is very much negative. So keeping pets can make that area. Just make sure these non-human companions should be kept clean, healthy, right? So it has to be taken care a lot.
Okay.
Yes. And plants, of course, with energy, these plants, they provide energy which are alive, right? And little water for the plants, what happens? A little water and it does miracle, and you feel fresh with plants. And plants, they, you know,
Many time I have seen about bamboo trees, little bamboo trees in the balls.
yeah, that also comes as a feng shui gadget.
Okay.
And this also is a live thing, so you can keep bamboo trees
To their homes.
to home, and it gives a fresh appeal.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can, by using alive things, you can fulfill your feng shui dreams by keeping all these alive things. Now come to weight.
Weight.
Yeah, weight things. So to be kept in a specific area, right? So items that weighs a lot, or the items with symbols weight that are heavy are used in feng shui to ground a space, to for example, all the way things should be kept in south, southwest and west, which gives energy, right? So through way also we can apply feng shui. Now we come to color, which is very important.
Yeah.
Well, all are important, right? Each area of the home corresponds to a specific color. Using the right color in the correct area reflects positivity on the person who lives there. It can be as paintings, it can be painting the walls. As long as the color is there, it will work for you. So you should take care of the colors which is applied in which area. So color is again
Very essential part.
yeah, essential part and very important in feng shui. Now coming to moving objects. Moving objects seem to be alive, right? And therefore are capable of greatly energizing a space. So those can be water, running water, fans, so those are moving objects, and curtains. Curtains, how like blowing in the breeze. These are the many things that exhibit these good qualities. These are the things which come in moving objects. And now electric power, your TV, your computer, your laptop, or anything which works with electricity. So make them all other electrical appliances work for you and benefit you by placing them in appropriate places, at home, at office, or anywhere you are working. Keep all of them in working conditions to their most. Just because of these things, you are your growth is there. For example, if your work is of computers, so you need to keep it in appropriate place, appropriate facing, and as I have told you before also, keep it clean in a right way. So these are the items to be kept in the right place. And then is symbolic objects. So as many people know that feng shui is the symbolic objects. This category includes intentionally placing the items, but in the prominent places, in home, in office, or in working area, or in factory, or anywhere your work is there. So having a symbolic meaning in order to shift energy, and how, for example, through bamboo trees, as you said, keeping tortoise, laughing Buddha, wind chime, goats, luk fuk sao, and coins, ingots, lot many things can be kept to enhance the energy. So these all things are the gadgets and how feng shui is applied. So these are the things, from so many steps I have told.
Yeah.
So all are applied in feng shui.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
Dr. Batra.
each and every category is to be taken care while applying feng shui.
Yeah, of course. Yes. Okay, Dr. Batra, this is really nice. Well, audience, you have heard Dr. Rupa Batra giving you such information about feng shui. As you can see that each and everything can be applied through sound, light, weight, electronics, moving and symbolic, etc. So keeping all these things in a right way and appropriate direction, which will help you in your life. Well, Dr. Batra, thank you so much for your precious advice, and I hope our audience will follow these tips definitely. Friends, that's all for today. We hope you liked our program, and do let us know about your feedback. Friends, if you have any problem or queries regarding Vastu and Feng Shui, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra, who has the chain of satisfied clients like film star, minister, diplomats, corporate sector, businessman to an ordinary man, not only in India but in other 18 countries as well. So friends, definitely we will be back next time with some another topic of Vastu and Feng Shui and your interesting mail also. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for pre-Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.